Most of what passes for technology in 2026, frankly, is disposable junk. Designed to fail, built to be replaced, but then there are exceptions. Rare ones, like the EGGKITPO Electric Deep Fryer. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan marketing gimmick, it is the quiet, unspoken engineering standard that defines reliable professional kitchen equipment. The 1800-watt heating element, paired with its precise thermal regulation, means your oil is not only ready faster, but holds temperature with unwavering consistency. Think of your morning, the scramble, the wait. Instead of staring at an indicator light, you are ready, often in less than a quarter of the time you would expect. That is 10, sometimes 15 minutes. Simply return to your day every single time you use it. Pick it up, feel the dense, cold aluminum and stainless steel. There is no flex, no rattle, just a reassuring heft. The commercial-grade heavy-duty stainless steel isn't just for looks. It is engineered for consistent heat transfer, for decades of relentless scrubbing, for zero corrosion. The precise temperature control, up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and the 60-minute timer are not just features, they are insurance against burned food and wasted ingredients. That 10-liter, 10.5 quart capacity means fewer batches, fewer opportunities for error, fewer cycles of wear on components. Every element, from the smooth, Atlas standard edges to the cool touch handle, is a testament to longevity, designed to avoid replacement, to save your valuable time year after year. If I am forced to nitpick, and my engineering background compels me to, the cool touch handle, while effective, feels a touch too pronounced, extending slightly further than one might expect in a compact design. However, this is a minor aesthetic quibble, utterly dwarfed by the absolute structural integrity and performance this unit delivers. It is a slight departure from visual elegance that actually enhances functionality and safety. Amazon prices on this kind of robust commercial-grade equipment are, frankly, moving targets. They fluctuate with demand, stock, and the phase of the moon, it seems. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stocks.